Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Vantage. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser, or you can simply access the Vantage Client Portal. Simply log in to the Vantage Client Portal right over there. Once you have logged in, simply go ahead, go to the option of funds from the menu. Then afterwards, select the withdraw option. Once selected the withdraw option, choose the account you want to withdraw money from. Once you've chosen the account, simply go ahead, enter the amount you would like to withdraw. Then afterwards, select your withdrawal method, which one you would prefer give among the given ones. Provide the required information like where you would like to withdraw, the address, and the account information and everything. Once you have done that, simply tap on review and review all the details and tap on submit, and then you're good to go. So withdrawals are usually processed within 24 hours. By the time it takes to receive the funds depends on the withdrawal method and your bank's processing time. For example, bank wire withdrawals usually take 3 to 5 business days, so you have to wait till then for your receiver to receive it. Before that, make sure that Vantage will prioritize withdrawals to the same accounts that you have used to deposit the funds, and it might even require additional information like documents such as the source of the funds as well. And that is basically it. That's how you can do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.